but they're kind of like taking up space because we don't really need them. They said that you would need them if the sun was really bright and it would hurt your eyes.
We love the sun.
Yeah, we love the sun.
Yeah, one mistake that I made was bring the heaviest coat that I have in my closet, so I am sweating. So make sure you come with a light coat. And
because the reflection of the sun with all the mirrors makes it really hot in here.
yeah, definitely something you want to do if it's your first time in New York, as of right now.
It would definitely be the edge, and then this.
Yeah, like this is really, really nice and touristy, and I feel like we're the only New Yorkers here because everybody's like, I'm from Canada, I'm from Argentina, I'm from Mexico, I'm from New York. We'll see you guys in a bit. Here first, then we'll come out.
Totally unorganized.
Yeah, it's a lot of chaos, and then we'll step off from there where the blue wall is, and then go all the way around, and then go upstairs.
Welcome to the summit. Please exit to your right.
Hey, I got shit covers. Because we can't damage the floor.
Oh my god,
Good to go?
good to go.
Which one is right and which one is left?
Oh, and then we got glasses. Thank you.
So I guess we gotta take our picture for some weird reason. We have to get our picture taken.
Oh my god. Well, we're gonna create a portfolio here.
Yeah, that's weird.
I'm sweating.
Ray-Bans.
I mean, not like they're like top notch, but for the money that we pay for the
I hope they clean them though.
yeah, I think so. Finish. Finish. Why am I scared? I hate when I watch horror movies and then I go to these things. Like, here's a bubble. Oh my god. Things that happen This is so creepy. How much time did it go? Whoa! That's just a little back. I'm gonna take my mask because I need.
Oh shit! We actually vlogged that a couple months ago in case you want to go to the edge.
Oh yes, I could probably add a card to it. How do you like it so far?
I love it. I think it's cool.
Yeah, we think it's very cool.
Very unorganized as well.
Yes, and lots of people. I don't know
Lots
why.
of freaking kids. Like, you know, when kids are involved, I don't know.
I don't know why they make you reserve a time if everybody's just gonna go at the
All
same
over the
time.
place. Kids were like going crazy in the balloon area.
Did you like it?
I actually did. I loved it.
Yeah.
Compared to the Edge and the One World Observatory, they don't explain anything of how this was built, how it came about, how like what type of experiences you're gonna get. Like everything you see online is basically all you get. The fact that it's two ledges made completely of glass and mirror, and like you're above 1,000 feet of elevation, like that's basically all they tell you. You're thinking that with this tour they would explain more about how the idea came about, like and the history and things like that about the building, because this building has been here for a long time, but they don't really explain anything. You just like literally they scan your ticket, you walk in, and that's all. And
That's basically it. I feel like it's just a multi-million building full of mirrors, but it is cool. Like you get awesome pictures.
there's not so much history behind it.
Yeah.
Like it's really just you come and it's for pictures. It's
Yeah.
not really like, oh, and this is like was created by this and this
Yeah.
and that. Like basically what you see is what you get. This place is literally just for pictures.
Yeah, but I feel like the views are so beautiful. You see
Yeah.
all of New York City, like even more behind Manhattan. You see all the rivers.
It didn't open in the summer because it would have been much nicer to come in the summer, but it didn't open until October, like
21st.
mid-October,
Yeah, so it sucks that we have to be in jackets and sweating in front of all the sun. They weren't very smart about that, but I think the experience is awesome. The tickets were a little pricey for what you get. You basically come to just take pictures.
Three different types of tickets. There's the Summit Experience, Summit Ascent, and then there's the Summit, and there's the Ultimate Summit, which goes all the way up to $75.
Which basically you just
Great.
get a glass of champagne.
And a free picture, which
Yeah.
we could just pay for because chances are you might not even like the picture that they take.
So our difference from the first ticket, that's 33, that we got to 56, we get to go in the glass elevator and get like the movie experience and see how it goes all the way up to the 91st floor. And then the ultimate, like we said, is just champagne and two free pictures.
Yeah.
But we get free pictures from our phone.
Yeah, like basically you can still take great pictures on your own. You don't have to pay for the ultimate experience. So like we said before, they start at 33, they go all the way up to $76. We paid for Summit Ascent, which was $56. With tax it was maybe like 65.
Yeah.
And for that we got the elevator experience, which was pretty cool. I mean, nothing that you can't miss. It's no big deal.
I know, and I just think that it's really, really cool because like you just come and like take pictures laying down, sitting.
People go all out. Like
Yeah.
they really lay down.
Yeah.
Or for people that are like into photography and all of that, that you want a picture where nobody will be in the background, you're not gonna get that here.
In New York, there's always somebody in the background.
Yeah, very family friendly place. There's kids all over the place.
There's so much kids.
There's like
Well, hence I brought my child.
yeah. So yeah, this is very family friendly. It's very nice to enjoy with the kids.
And honestly, you're not gonna spend the whole day here.
Yeah, this is really like a
2-hour experience.
And 2 hours is really pushing it. It's probably if you do come with kids.
If you don't care about pictures, you just want to come see it, you're gonna be in and out 30 minutes max.
30-40 minutes.
Yeah, but if you want pictures like us, then yeah, it would be a 2-hour experience.
I think we would have probably taken a little longer had it been more empty, because there would have been a lot more space to, like, I guess, create and take more pictures and take cool things. But yeah, we were here. I think we were here about an hour, but and an hour only because we did the intro and, like, you know, things like that. Otherwise, we would have had to take another.
Yes, and make sure you separate time because you have to go through security, the lines, you have to go down the stairs. So there's a lot of things you have to do before you actually get to the summit.
Also, like we showed before, they give you shoe covers, so don't come all crazy in your stilettos, because that's the number one thing that they do not allow. You cannot come in pointy.
I actually regret, sorry to cut you off, I actually regret wearing my booties because I can't show off my heel.
Yeah, so don't come here if you want to take a full body picture, because they do not let you take off your shoe covers. This, the Edge, and the One World Observatory, what would you choose?
I feel like the Edge.
I feel like I would choose the
I
Edge.
really like that it's like inside and outside. I don't know, they give you the best of both worlds.
Also, Japan came up with this 3 years ago, because we did this in Japan and it was way better in Japan. We came inside and the movie did not even explain what we were about to see here. Like, no, nothing about the history, nothing about like how it was created, where the idea came from. Like,
yeah, we like to learn more.
yeah, more me. Yeah, you don't really care.
No, but I would like to know, like, well, who made it? How much did it cost?
Yeah, how much glass did it take to do this? Like, where did the idea come from? How thick is the glass?
Oh, at the Edge they explain how
At the edge they explain. At the One World Observatory they explain things like, this is just basically what you see is what you get.
Yeah, but it is a nice experience. We're not talking just full crap about it. We think it's nice.
No, we think it's great.
But is it worth the $65?
No, it's not
I don't
worth
think
it.
so.
I think all the fares should have been $33.
Yeah, I
That's
think
fine.
Yeah, just get the basic ticket. Don't spend more.
Yeah, like the experience in the elevator is really cool, like from the clips that we showed you, but really it's not really a big deal.
And like, you don't have time here to get the ultimate ticket because, like, if you're gonna get a glass of champagne, where do you get the champagne? Like, I have not seen no.
I have not even seen a bar.
Yeah, so I don't know if
I think they would give it to you towards the end, like, here you go.
yeah, like walk away with it. Like, for that case, you could just go out and get.
I would pay the 75 if it's gonna be us alone on the floor, or like alone in a certain section where it'll just be you and whoever you came with, like a private experience. But
So
does not make sense.
Do we think it's worth the money? No. Do we think it's worth for me to take pictures?
Yeah, so is it worth the hype? Yes. But is it worth the price for the tickets? Not really.
Yeah.
Maybe for the basic fare. So we would agree with paying the basic fare. Don't pay for that cent.
Yeah, and I always refer to coming on your first day here because I always get questions on like, oh, where should we go out to eat? Do you guys recommend anything? So as a couple, I feel like
Yeah, as a first day, it's pretty cool because you tend to break the ice a lot because it's like you're both like experiencing it together. So it obviously brings a lot to talk about and things like that. Not that we have any issues with that because we don't know what would happen on the first day because it's been so long.
all right, you're pushing it.
What is a first date anymore anyway?
I know.
Well, what do
because
people do on first dates
Well,
anyway?
because you're taken, you don't know, but people get taken out on restaurants. Remember, you took me out to the movies.
Well, I could've-
Yeah, but there is a lot to do in New York. But we hope we didn't bore you. We just wanted to give you the information that we only got from basically the website and from what we can observe from here. Do come, make sure to take awesome pictures. Come early. That's like the number one. Come early because it's early and it's 5. I cannot imagine a sunset. It must be beautiful to die for, but I'm sure it's really, really hectic.
And there's also a lot of tickets for the evening, but let's face it, like mirrors and the sun just pair together perfectly. There's no reason. I don't think the evening time, maybe sunset,
I think
but after the
it's
sun
the
goes
sunset experience.
yeah, sunset, yeah, but after the sun goes down, I don't think there's any point to being here. Yeah, it wouldn't really make sense.
Okay guys, so this is the end of the vlog. We hope you guys enjoyed. We hope we didn't bore you. If you come, take lots of pictures. And make sure to stay tuned to our upcoming videos because we have a little vacation coming up. Actually, by the time you're watching this, we'll probably be on the plane.
Yeah, God willing.
Yeah, so we can't wait to show you guys where we're going, and we will see you guys in the next one. Oh, please make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, hit that bell button to get notified every time we post a new video. See you guys on our next trip.